Hi, Cyler from FlexArm. Welcome back to this week's Robotics and Manufacturing series. The next project that we're taking on with our Ready Robot is to tend our 5-axis machine. In order to do that, we need a pneumatic vise that's rated for 5-axis milling. Shunk makes one of these, and we're gonna pair that with our Ready Robot using this tool changer. The robot will be able to open and close the vise so we can load and unload parts in our 5-axis machine. Having the ability to use the robot to tend our 5-axis machine will really help us be able to keep parts in front of the robot and improve production efficiency. We still have some work to do before we can start running with the robot. For example, we're designing a riser for this vise so that in the 5-axis machine, if the bed's turned or whatever, we don't have to worry about the tools hitting this little ridge here that holds the part of the coupling for the tool changer. Also, deciding how we want to open and close the door of the machine with the robot, whether we put a cylinder on there, an air cylinder that the robot has control of in the program, or maybe we just use the robotic arm to push the handle on the door. Still ironing out some things there, but stay tuned with us and you'll be able to see the finished project. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call. Our number is 1-800-837-2503.